Hi friends, myself Dr. Suvendu Maji. I am surgical oncologist practicing at Kolkata. So I want to share an important topic with you. Since it is winter and air pollution is everywhere, so I decided to make this video to answer a very common question that my patients ask: Is air pollution, which is so much talked about today, like the one we have seen in Delhi, and it is winter, it is increasing, is it anyway related to cancer? Is it safe to go outside? And what is the scientific truth behind it? So friends, air pollution and its relationship with cancer is a very complicated topic, and its relation is very complex. And to simplify it further, air pollution is actually of two types. It can be indoor air pollution and outdoor air pollution. So when it comes to cancer, indoor air pollution is more often cited because it takes place 365 days, regardless whether it is a winter or whether it is a summer. And studies have shown that we spend more time indoors than outdoors. Now, outdoor pollution, the composition of the air pollution mixture depends upon the season that we are talking about. It also have geographical variation. Now, whether air pollution causes cancer or not, it's not well known. What we know are certain constituents, certain pollutants. Most common among them is the PAH, or polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, which have been studied extensively, and there are certain scientific reports of cancers caused by them are well known. So here is a mixture of different kind of pollutants, different kind of chemicals, which comes from motor vehicle emissions, which comes from burning, which comes from vehicular pollution, dust pollution, building materials, factory pollutants, smoke, etc. And whether all of them causes cancer is not well known, but some of the constituents have been studied, and we have some data in regards to them. Now, when it comes to pollution, it is indoor pollution that we often talk about, because that has been studied more scientifically. And one particular constituent, which is also written in book, which we come across book and it's proven, is known as radon. Radon is the source of indoor air pollution, and it is known to cause a variety of cancers. One of them among them is the lung cancer. Now, it is not basically whether what kind of pollution you are exposed to. It's basically the nature of pollutants that you are exposed to, the concentration of the pollution or the pollutants that you are exposed to, and the duration to which you are exposed will actually determine what kind of cancer actually you get. So whenever you inhale air pollutants, specifically the carcinogenic pollutants, they are taken into our respiratory epithelium. They are taken up by the cells. They undergo chemical processes known as oxidation, peroxidation, which goes and react with the nucleic acids which is present in our DNA, which is our gene. They form DNA adducts that cause mutations, and these mutations accumulate over time. It takes a lot of time to give rise to cancers like lung cancers and many other aerodigestive cancers, lung cancers being one of them, which is most talked about by the layman. So it doesn't cause cancer instantly, that you go outside, you get exposed to air pollution and you get cancer. No, it's not like that. The relationship is much more complex, and probably it is the indoor air pollution which is more harmful, I would rather say scientifically, than the outdoor air pollution, because indoor air pollution is where you are exposed to continuously. And in India, most of the households still use biomass fuels. They do not have access to clean energy source. They use solid mass fuels, and anything when burned or combusted incompletely results in products which are toxic to our health. And apart from cancer, why only talk about cancer? In the air pollution and the air pollutants cause severe health diseases like chronic pulmonary disease, an important cause of many allergic diseases that one gets and has to visit pulmonologist, they are also a reason why we should be careful about the air pollution. So the underlying thought is that yes, air pollution causes cancer, but in scientific terms, the debate still goes on, and there are very few pollutants which actually have been studied carefully and linked to human cancers. And although there are certain carcinogenic and animal related data, out of which radon is one such thing. So thank you, stay safe, and it's best that if you can wear your masks, which can actually help you prevent getting exposed to these pollutants. And you should also switch over to cleaner source of energy if possible, if feasible. Stay safe. Thank you.